just been invited to a Grammy party, but wait, let's talk global, specifically India. So, India is not new to the whole Grammy scheme. We've had winners like A. R. Rahman, Tanvi Shah, Shankar Mandev, saw them in concert. But this Grammy, 2025, we had a nomination for our song Raat Ki Rani. I don't personally love the song. I actually prefer Jai Ho, which won in 2008. It's from the movie Slumdog Millionaire. But it's still so great to see how connected music makes us, that we can still connect, even though we still speak the same language. We can connect around the world. We have fields for African music, for Korean music, for Latino and jazz, music without words. It's really just like a form of expression, and I love that everyone has been able to see it and share it, win awards for it. It's great. I can't wait for the Grammys.